Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make this very beautiful floral one stroke painting happy birthday greeting card. This is very easy to make. So let's start with procedure. For this we need liquid glue, any transparent poly bag, 6 number and 4 number flat brush, 3 number round brush, pencil, eraser, orange, dark green, light green, yellow, purple and white acrylic colors, purple and white thick 250 GSM cardstock. First I am taking white cardstock and taking light and dark green acrylic colors and pouring some colors on transparent poly bag. Now taking the 6 number flat brush first. Before adding color to brush, I am making some star designs on the card base on which I will create flower. So first I am taking light green and dark green on both sides of the brush, mixing the color very well and making leaves. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. So leaves are ready. Now I am taking some white and purple color on 5 number flat brush, mixing both the colors with the same method. So flowers are ready. Now I'm taking some orange color on my round brush and making some small cherries. Like this. Now I will take some green color and creating the stems with the cherries. Now I'm taking some lemon yellow color and making some tiny dots on the background behind the flowers and leaves. So the background is done. Now at the end I am adding some tiny dots in the center of all flowers using same purple color. Like this. And also adding some tiny dots using same color inside the cherries. So painting work is done. Now I will write the sentiment happy birthday using black permanent marker. Like this. Erase the pencil work. Now I am adding the card diagonally on the purple card base. So just add glue. And connect on top of purple card base. Like this. Cut excess paper. So the beautiful one stroke painting birthday card is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.